Turnout over here to straight. Which? This one.
644, keep going. Right at my house.
Did it go?
No.
All right, then it's you're gonna have to manually calculate.
Does the diagram show it going straight?
It does now.
Oh, it's got dirt down in it. That's what the problem is. I can see the dirt laying down in that track.
Okay. Well, I've been picking out pieces of stuff all morning, so.
What y'all put this in, a van or a pickup truck?
Pickup truck.
Covered?
Yeah.
I see your casters on the bottom.
Yeah. That's so we can store it under our other layout at the club.
Oh, what club is that?
Flagler Model Railroad Club.
Okay. There's the caster wheels. It's really nice.
Yeah, we only bring